Dear students, our third question is we have to prove 1 plus cot A minus cosec A, 1 plus tan A plus sec A equal to just 2. So we have no any option, we have to start with left hand side only. So left hand side is 1 plus cot A minus cosec A, and in second bracket 1 plus tan A plus sec A. First preference is square relation. Square relation is not possible to apply over here. So after that, first preference, next preference is use special ratios and inverse relations. So here we can easily apply that relations. 1 plus, we can write cot as cos by sine. Cos by sine minus cosec as 1 by sine. And in second bracket, tan as sine by cos. So our target is we have to convert all trigonometric ratio in sine and cos form. So finally, we can observe sine and cos in each and every terms. Tan as sine by cos and sec as 1 by cos. So step number 1 is convert all ratios in sine and cos form by using inverse relations and special ratios. So cot as cos by sine, cosec as 1 by sine. In second bracket, 1 plus tan is sine by cos and sec as 1 by cos. Then after what we have to do? In both brackets, we have to find LCM separately. So over here in first bracket, you can observe easily that in denominator of 1, there is nothing. So we can consider 1. 1 upon 1 plus cos upon sine and 1 upon sine. So LCM of 1 and sine is sine. LCM means we want same denominator in all terms. So that same denominator is sine A. For getting sine in first term, we have to multiply sine at both places. So if I multiply sine at both places, then it becomes sine A plus cos as it is, because sine is already available in denominator of second term. In third term, sine is already available, so we have to just write 1. So in first bracket, we can observe after taking LCM, sine A plus cos A minus 1, and in denominator sine A. Similarly, in bracket number 2, LCM of these three terms, in denominator 1, LCM of denominators 1 and cos A is cos A. For getting cos A in first term, we have to multiply cos A. So cos A, here we have to multiply cos A. So cos A plus sine A and plus 1. Denominator is common. After taking LCM of denominators, we have to write common denominator. Now, there is no any operation between both brackets. It means we have to consider multiplication. In multiplication, we have to multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So if I multiply denominator with denominator, then it becomes sine into cos A. First of all, I am using this concept of denominator, sine A into cos A as it is. In numerator, if you observe that there are three terms in both bracket, but we can apply one single identity. That identity is A plus B and A minus B. If I consider sine A plus cos A single term, sine A plus cos A is A and 1 is B. So over here you can observe A minus B, this one A and 1 is B. A minus B, over here same, cos A plus sine A, it means A and plus B. So A minus B into A plus B, you can write A square minus B square, but over here A is sine A plus cos A whole square minus 1 square. A square minus B square, here over A is that full sine A plus cos A. We have to consider this one is A and 1 is B. So A minus B, A plus B. And then after, we have to apply A plus B whole square identity in numerator. Sine A plus cos A whole square, it means A square plus B square plus 2AB. So over here, you can write sine square A square plus B square, it means cos square A plus 2AB. So 2 sine A cos A. A plus B whole square identity is A square a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then after 1 square is 1 as it is, denominator as it is, we have to write sin a and cos a. Then after what we have to do, just observe that 3 steps: conversion of all ratios in cosine sine form, that green step, after that green step, pink step, LCM. Then after we have to apply a plus b and a minus b identity in numerator, and then after a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now step number 5. In step number 5, you can observe sin square a plus cos square a, that is 1. These two terms, sin square a plus cos square a, that is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin a cos a minus 1 upon sin a cos a. First of all, simplify numerator and then after do cancellation.